We're actually going through a period of cultural mass extinction at the moment. Now, we don't know exactly the rate at which this is happening. Linguists tell us that of the 6,000 languages spoken around the world today by various people, by the end of the century, between half and 90% will no longer be spoken. They'll be extinct. And, they leave behind their ancient villages. They move to perhaps a growing megacity, whatever it might be. And when they do, they enter the dominant culture. And their kids start to speak the dominant language, and they lose touch with the old ways, and pretty soon that language and that culture have died. They've ceased to exist.
The values and the beliefs behind what we do are still very similar to what we do, how our ancestors did it 3,000 years ago.
Our indigenous peoples who have enormous amounts of knowledge, special knowledge about plants, about animals, about their environment, about their history, about their people, special ways of living in the world, about their ceremonial traditions.
Anis, Tulafanes. So in Samoa, there's about 20 to 25 royal families that every single one of us are linked to.
Those people could sail across the ocean on these canoes, not knowing whether there was going to be land or not. When they got there, then you can do this, you can do this, you can so do this.